It's Mrs. Dice, and we have
Emily.
Emily. This is Joe's niece. We are going to
Have a prank day.
have a prank day. We have his GoPro. We have his car keys, which, yeah, don't tell him about the car keys. He's going to be highly upset. I mean, he's going to be highly upset anyway. How many pranks do we have?
Like 5?
Like 5. Yeah, he's going to be highly upset anyway. But he likes to play pranks on all of his friends. So we're going to play pranks on him. And it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's going to be highly hilarious.
And I want to see his reaction.
Hell yeah. We started working on the car. That's going to suck. Yep. And then we have stuff already set up at home. He's at home with the baby Dices. The baby Dice. All right. We will get back to you. Here you go.
Hey,
Not done yet though.
Hey guys, we are like halfway done with one side of the car. I will let you see what it looks like, but it's really colorful.
You say that like it's a bad thing.
He will be pretty mad because it is a bad thing. Then I did the inside. The steering wheel. I did honk the horn 2 times on purpose.
On purpose? Now you tell me it was on purpose, right?
Yes, I am leaving the scraps in there because he needs to clean it up anyway. He has to love this. He just has to. So yeah, like I said, I'm Emily.
I just hope no one calls the cops on us.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, so hopefully we don't get in trouble. Even though we might. We have so much, he will get really mad.
Scissors.
I have to get some scissors.
You're supposed to be helping, not monologuing.
I'm not monologuing.
You know what a monologue is?
No. I'm in 5th grade, so that's sad. Yes, I am in 5th grade. We have a lot of things, and we had a lot of pranks to do on my uncle and her husband.
Oh, they already know me.
Yeah, I can tell from videos and the photos they video, but they don't know me because I'm a new one.
You're a new one?
I'm new, okay?
I know Jacob.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Been in a few videos with Joe.
Yeah, Jacob.
Okay, so the dirty work is done on the car. Em went home already. It was too hot for her. We didn't get to do the whole car. We kind of ran out of supplies. But still gonna be funny. All right, so we're home with the baby Dices. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, and the other baby Dice. Hey, Joe, say hi. He's not in it. Okay. So Emily's gonna come down. Joe's gonna come up. And we're gonna see if he falls for our pranks. And where are you going? We're all eating cookies, Em. You want a cookie? Babe, you want a cookie?
I don't want to junior scraps.
No, I don't eat the yucky cookies.
Uncle Joey.
I was giving you a cookie, Em.
Huh?
I was giving you a cookie, Em.
Eat
I
it.
don't want a cookie.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
I don't want a cookie.
Ew.
You eat the cookie, babe. Ow!
No.
You're a jerk!
I'll leave
Why do
you
you keep leaving your soap up here?
Because I forgot about it.
Why do you want me to eat the cookie so bad?
Take the cookie.
Wait,
Don't you eat the cookie?
No.
She has a cookie.
Damn.
Eat it.
I'm not right now.
Not even Chrissy.
You that goes against my diet.
You get one
Try it.
cheat day.
One
baby.
cheat day.
I'm gonna eat that one.
Go ahead, eat that one.
It's an Oreo cookie.
I'll leave you alone for the rest of the year.
You like Oreos.
You got chocolate all on top of your lip.
I know.
She got mustache.
No, I don't trust that cookie. Give me a different cookie.
Here.
See,
I'm not gonna fuck
I
with you.
trust now. Ah! Seriously, Mel? What is it, toothpaste?
I mean, it's your toothpaste.
Would you like a bottle of water?
No, I don't trust the water.
Like water.
And you're recording me.
No. Get out of here, Otis. You throw the chocolate at the dogs.
I threw it at you.
Throw a damn cookie at me.
Threw a damn cookie with toothpaste.
Are you really that angry?
Yes, you're recording me. For what?
Oh, he doesn't want the water. Give me the water.
You are so selfish.
You
Who's
drink the
selfish?
water. I don't know. That didn't look good enough. Is this bleach? I know
Why
you
would
like,
it be bleach?
you like drinking bleach.
Ew!
Why'd you just give me this water and drink that water?
Seriously?
Yeah, no, I don't trust you. Give me that water. Here, give me that one.
Even I'll drink it.
You fell for your own prank. Yo, even I had a straighter face than you.
What's in that one?
Salt.
Ah,
This is like sea butter.
Damn, I had a straighter face than her.
my GoPro. So, I want to ask, what convinced you to put toothpaste in an Oreo? Emily, why? Why would you do this? Why would you do this to your husband?
Because it was fun.
This is horrible. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joe Dice, and so far, oh yeah, and it's just wet me. Did you put a hole in this?
No, I didn't. Oh, shit. Why would you do that?
Because it's garbage.
I wanted to drink that.
How you feel? How you feel?
Upset.
Upset. I gotta pick it up because I don't litter. But if there's a hole in it, I read somewhere that if there's a hole in it, somebody poked it and put something in there. See? Can't trust that, people.
Drink that.
Oh, too bad. You shouldn't have put toothpaste in my Oreo. Knowing damn well I don't eat them because I'm on a diet. So now, oh yeah, happy 4th of July, everybody. I woke up to getting pranked, right? First Oreo. What? What? I mean, that's the safe thing to do, right? But they put Oreo, or they put what? Toothpaste in my Oreo, and then they didn't fall for that one. I'm not stupid enough to fall for that one. They try to give me salt water. Thanks, guy. Thank you. Red light. He just takes the light to make turn. Yeah, that's my luck today. I wake up to being pranked. This isn't funny, Mel. It's not funny, Mel.
Emily,
Mel.
help me.
No. What did you do to my car?
I don't know what you're talking
Seriously?
about. I don't know what you're talking about.
What did you do to my car?
I have no idea what you're talking
Why? No. I told you guys, if you prank me, don't touch the car.
about. I don't know what you're talking about. Vandals, babe. Vandals.
Was this literally why you were out for an hour and a half doing the garbage?
Vandals, babe.
And you put it on the paint.
No, I didn't.
All over the front too? How am I what am I supposed to do about this? Comment down below. What am I supposed to do about this? Look what they did. Look what they did to my car.
then you probably don't want to open it.
What? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Junior, what did she do?
I mean, he's like, I want to keep
what did
my
you do?
job.
I'm so mad at you right now. This is such annoying. What am I supposed to do about this? Here, hold this. I gotta take all this off. Did you actually do something on the inside?
I didn't do anything.
Are you kidding me? Seriously? Aluminum foil? Why? This is vandalism. You know you could be arrested. Ah, that's hot. That is hot. Why? 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 Ow, that's hot. Ow. Ah. Turn the car on. I need my key. The key has to be in here. Ah. Ah, it's hot. Okay. Okay. Ah. Ah, that's hot. Ow. Put the AC on full blast. Ah. Why? Why would you do this? Oh. Oh, babe, I want to kick you. Oh, babe, I want to kick you so bad. Here, hold that. Hold that. Oh. That burned.
Job well done.
Why? It's like 90 degrees. Why would you do this?
You know what the best part of this is, babe?
What?
The fact that you're cleaning it up.
I'm done here. I'm kicking your ass.
Holding the baby. You hear this? You hear this? Daddy's gonna kick mommy's butt. He's gonna kick my butt.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
You give daddy papao. See, he's gonna give you papao.
Look at all these trees you wasted.
If anything, it's like one tree. Half a tree at that.
It's a multicolored tree now. A multicolored tree. What am I supposed to do with all this?
Put it on as a cape and run down the block.
We're doing this.
Happy Pride Month! Woo!
Ow!
Yo, he's really running. Where are you going? Okay, I did not think that he would actually do that. But I'm very happy he did.
I got it. I think I left a lot behind. Man, I'm tired.
Nope, you didn't lose any pieces.
Fat. I'm out of breath.
I didn't think you'd actually do it.
What I gotta do with this aluminum foil?
Ooh, you honked at. Someone thinks you're cute.
At least somebody thinks I'm cute now.
I don't think you're cute. I think you're smexy.
Oh. Don't do that in 90-degree weather. Kills you.
You're just throwing it all in the trunk. Aw, you ruined your cape.
Superman ain't flying no more.
I just realized you were wearing Superman shirt.
Alright.
2. DJ. Good boy. My son as well is happy with our handiwork. Woo! Superman!
Now I can smelt all of this and make stuff.
That would be awesome.
No, literally. Let me pick this up.
Ow! 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 I knew you were gonna do that. It was funny.
Your face is funny. Alright.
I'm gonna tell Emily you cried. Okay. Oh, I think I left my phone at home.
See what I have to deal with? Because of you. And you. Did you have something to do with this? Nope, I don't think you did. This was all you. I'm gonna link her Twitter down below. I want you to go on there and I want you to roast her. I want you to go after her like she did my car. Did you touch the Corvette?
Why would they do that? I'm pretty.
Did you touch the Corvette?
No.
Good.
I wouldn't fuck with the Corvette. That's drawing a line. I would fuck myself up. I won't mess with the Corvette. You really hit me.
Okay, so my question is now, do we actually have to go to the store?
Yes.
Or is that your way of just showing me the prank you guys pulled on me?
No, we actually have to go to the store.
We're off to the store. I might get thrown out of the store.
Why?
Because of what I'm going to do to you, Mel. Yeah, hair on you. Well, I was going to take the vid out today, but she seems to have a flat tire. Guys, if you have a nice car, don't park it in the street. I myself am unfortunate. I do not have a driveway or garage. Sucks for me, but it's nice. It's really lifted. But anyways, learn from my mistakes. If you have a nice car, make sure you have a driveway to park it. Because especially don't have a nice car in New York. Because you know all our taxpayer money goes, you know, in pockets, not to where it belongs. Happy 4th of July. Okay, so I'm here with Shamar. Thank you, Shamar. Even though he's an asshole. Thank you for picking me up. As you all saw, the Corvette did have a flat tire. So the air pump that I had, I bought from Harbor Freight. And thank goodness their computers were down because they were able to exchange it without looking at the fact that I bought it more than 90 days ago. So bad me, thank you to them. So I was able to exchange it. Now we're gonna go take a ride in the Corvette. Alright everybody, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're stopping in for the first time, drop a subscribe, like the video, share it if you can. Thank you all for being a part of the Dice Club and stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go film it right now. I'm meeting up with Hitman and Jamie. We're gonna go have some fun at the beach. I'll see you later.